Hey everyone, I'll be showing you the many ways you can use Iconic London's Prep Set and Glow and the amazing results it gives your skin. So the Prep Set and Glow is available in 2 shades which suit any skin tone. Original is the perfect champagne glow, and Glow, which adds a beautiful bronze sun-kissed gloss to the skin. It can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup. You can set a finished look or add a radiant glow to a bare face. I'm going to use the shade Original to prep my skin by adding a bit more hydration and a glow before applying the foundation. The Prep Set and Glow is rich in antioxidants, green tea, caffeine and vitamin E. Now that my makeup is finished, I'm going to set it all in place using the Prep Set and Glow in Glow. The Prep Set and Glow can also be used as a setting spray because it leaves your skin looking super glowy. The Prep Set and Glow is a gorgeous hydrating mist because it also contains chamomile and cucumber extract, and it can also be used at any time during the day whenever your makeup needs a quick boost. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love Prep Set and Glow as much as I do.